concept of cotton fibers. Basically, as you know, cotton fibers are obtained from the cotton plant. Basically, it is obtained from the seed of the cotton plant. So, it comes in the category of natural fibers. Now, when we have to grow cotton plant in a soil or in a field, we must have two basic features. That means the area must have black soil, because cotton grows only in black soil, and the temperature should be warm. Cold climates and areas where there is no black soil, we cannot grow cotton plant. So cotton plant is best suited in black soil, and the climate must be warm. So in the case of India, the states like Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, some parts of Punjab, Gujarat and Haryana, and others may include Jharkhand, Odisha. All these states, some part of these states grow cotton as their main crop, and this apply to the rest of the India and rest of the world. Now let us take some examples. So let us take the process of cultivation of cotton. So in the cultivation of cotton, basically, as we know, it is grown in the black soil in any region. So the starting period of the cultivation of the plant is from the March. So in the starting of the spring season in March and April, the seeds are planted in the soil and they are harvested in November. That means beginning of the winter season. So they are sown in the starting of the spring season and they are harvested in the starting of the winter season. This is the time period for the growing of the cotton plant. Now once the seeds are now placed in the cotton in the soil, they start to grow. And when they start to grow and when they have reached to a certain height, we can say that the seeds are developed, and the seeds then develop into fruits and they develop into flowers. Basically, the flower of the cotton plant is known as the cotton ball. So flower of the cotton plant is known as the cotton ball. It is actually this cotton ball which has the seed. Now when it has gained to a certain height, we say it has attained maturation. The plant has grown to a certain height. During maturation, we can see that the seed, or we can say that the cotton ball expands, or the cotton ball bursts. That means the cotton ball will now become open. Now when it bursts, or when it is now open, we can see the seed. The seed is covered with the cotton fiber. So when the plant has attained a certain height, the cotton ball, which is actually the flower of the cotton plant, bursts open. Now when it is open, we can see that the seed is covered with the cotton fiber. Now when the seed is covered with the cotton fiber and it is a warm climate, that means sun is providing the heat, and because of the heat from the sun, this fiber, the fiber gets evaporated, or we can say that the water is lost. Now when the water is lost, it becomes fluffy and it becomes white as snow. The cotton ball or the fiber on the seed becomes as white as snow. Now when it is as white as snow, and when it is fluffy, it is now ready to be harvested. So during the month of November, or the beginning of the winter season, the cotton seeds are harvested with the help of a hand or with the help of certain machines. This was the cultivation of cotton, which started in the month of March and April, at the starting of the spring season, till this end of till the beginning of the winter season. Now some of the uses of cotton plant may include, as cotton plant absorbs sweat, so it is very comfortable, or it is very useful in the summer season, because it absorbs sweat. So it is widely preferred in the summer season, because in summers the human beings perspire. So cotton absorbs the sweat and the human being may feel cool. Also it absorbs blood. So that is why it is used in medical equipments and in hospitals. So these were the two cases of the absorption of sweat and absorption of blood. The next use of cotton can include in the making of mixed fiber. So mixed fiber are basically those fibers which are obtained from both natural and synthetic. For example, terrycloth. Terrycloth is obtained from terylene, which is synthetic fiber, and cotton, which is natural. So terry means terylene, cot means cotton. So cotton is basically used to make mixed fibers, which is terrycot, made up of terylene, synthetic fiber, and cotton, natural fibers. Basically, such type of fibers has the quality of both terylene as well as cotton. So it is lustrous, that means it is shiny, and it has the property of absorption of sweat and absorption of blood. The next advantage is the production of linen or the making of linen. Linen is basically a type of natural fiber which is obtained from the flax. So nylon is directly obtained from the flax. Nylon fibers are basically strong, so we can say that cotton is mixed with the linen fiber to make a new type of fiber, and this fiber has very good strength and very good uses. So they are made in dresses, they are made to make uniforms. So these were the uses of cotton. The first was it can absorb sweat, so it is used as a cloth in summer season. It can be used to absorb the blood, so it is used in medical equipment and hospitals. Third, it is used to make mixed fibers, and it is used to make the linen fibers. The cultivation of a crop started in the month of March till it is harvested in the month of November. And then we have discussed the major states which have production of cotton as a main crop, and some of them were Maharashtra, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, etc. The climate which is required by this plant it requires a warm climate, and the soil must be a black soil. This was the concept of cotton fiber.